everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. You remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1989 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a step-side short box and just a gorgeous truck, guys. Tennessee truck, been in Tennessee its whole life. You've got the Carfax for it. Clean Carfax, no accidents. This truck's been repainted, and when they repainted it, guys, they actually pulled it off the frame and painted the bottom of it. It's painted just like the rest of the truck. Killer truck. I love this body style. I owned, I think, 3 of these trucks. I think this body style went through like 94 if I remember right, and I've owned 3 of these things. Love the color. I got some good pictures outside of it. Just like I say, killer little step-side truck. Indigo blue metallic is what the paint is. It's got blue interior. They put a brand new set of wheels and tires on it. Those are Billet Specialties Boulevard wheels, 20-inch all the way around. And again, just a gorgeous truck. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the truck. 89,000 original miles. See, the bumpers are nice. Again, paint's really slick on the truck. Love the color. With the dual sport mirrors, those you can pick a little bit, you know what I mean? No, you just got to pull it, Nathan. It's got an inside pull. Really nice blue cloth interior, bucket seats with center console. They've got a rubber mat here. They've got this painted real nice in the bed. All new exhaust underneath. Again, the floors are painted blue just like the rest of the truck. We can put mirrors underneath this thing and show it. Look how slick the paint is. New wheels, new tires. Front disc brakes. Vacuum 5.7 liter electronic fuel injection. 700R4 automatic overdrive trans, power steering, power disc brakes, and air conditioning. Air blows cold. 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Look how nice the inner fenders are done. I mean, this truck's killer. Glass is nice. You can see how nice those door seams are. You can pick at the armrest a little bit. But man, the rest of the interior is killer. I mean, they've had to put new carpet or something here. It looks brand new. I know it's hard to see when you get inside. That's why I don't like shooting the videos in here, but nothing we can do right now with the weather. tilt column, cruise control. So the dash all works. 89,000. What is that? 419. Door buzzer works. They put an aftermarket sport wheel on it. Custom radio in it. Yeah, new dual exhaust, factory rear axle. And again, look how nice this is painted. I mean, this truck is gorgeous. I'm not gonna be able to see real good in here, but as always, I'll post photos underneath of it. And like I said, you could wax the floorboards on this thing if you wanted to. Pretty truck. Love the color. Dash is really nice, no cracks or anything in that. Just kicked your air on, it blows cold. Great little truck. Someone's going to get a killer truck. Dash lights all work, gauges are all functional, holds great oil pressure. Like I say, everything opens and closes really nice. Going to be able to get a station in here. Well, I guess it did. Remember, we can't get a station in here. I know that light works. I'll check. It's probably just a connection. I know it works. Just had it on. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Have a great day.